whether or not if he know what he doing or not.
I want him to come and open that shop up.
Oh,
He got that shop.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
You don't need that. They call it
I got some new ones. Yeah, the
You
cocktail.
don't need new you. You just got the good one.
Okay, cool.
You put them new ones on there, the motherfucker scrub, fucked up. All the time you use that new one, it's fucked up.
You're right.
So you will you put that one back on.
Oh, well.
I'm not good, chicken.